Welcome to Biker's Choice. Today, we're diving into the world of cruisers with a focus on the Kawasaki Vulcan S. This motorcycle has gained a reputation for its versatility, user-friendly design, and impressive performance. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer, the Vulcan S offers something special. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike stand out in the crowded cruiser market. Design and aesthetics. The Kawasaki Vulcan S features a modern, sleek design that appeals to a wide range of riders. With its low-slung profile, muscular lines, and minimalist aesthetic, this bike commands attention on the road. The adjustable seat height, ranging from 27.8 inches to 30.4 inches, allows riders of various heights to find a comfortable fit. The stylish LED lighting and distinctively shaped tank further enhance its contemporary look, making it a head-turner wherever you go. Performance and engine. At the heart of the Vulcan S is a 649-seat parallel twin engine, derived from the Kawasaki Ninja 650. This engine offers a perfect balance of power and torque, making it ideal for both city riding and longer journeys. With a smooth power delivery and a broad torque curve, riders will appreciate the responsive acceleration, especially in urban environments. The bike also features a 6-speed transmission, ensuring a smooth ride at various speeds, whether cruising on the highway or navigating through traffic. Comfort and ergonomics. One of the standout features of the Vulcan S is its focus on rider comfort. The low seat height and relaxed riding position allow for easy handling, making it accessible for beginners and experienced riders alike. The foot pegs can be adjusted to suit different riding styles, allowing for a customized fit that enhances comfort during longer rides. Additionally, the bike's lightweight chassis contributes to its nimbleness, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Technology and features. Kawasaki has equipped the Vulcan S with modern technology to enhance the riding experience. The bike comes with a digital instrument cluster that provides essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and trip information. The addition of ABS, anti-lock braking system, ensures safer stops, especially in challenging conditions. Riders can also choose from a variety of accessories to personalize their Vulcan S, including windshields, saddlebags, and custom seats. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Kawasaki Vulcan S is an impressive motorcycle that caters to a diverse range of riders. Its combination of stylish design, powerful performance, and comfort makes it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to experience the joy of cruising. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a weekend adventure, the Vulcan S delivers a reliable and enjoyable ride. Thanks for tuning in to Biker's Choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about the Vulcan S? We'd love to hear from you.